Hi guys, this is Christopher from ArivuPro. Okay, in this series of videos, we are going to make small videos, but we are going to cover all the information about CA course. Alright, look at this playlist. We will be covering all the courses about what is CA, what is the salary of a CA, how do you register for a CA. Everything would be covered in this series of videos. Right, and if you want to read about this, right, you can always go to help.arivupro.com. right, go to course information and click on your decide course. You will see about CA if you want to see, or you want to see about registration, articleship, exam. We have covered you every topic in this portal, right? And if you like this video, or you're going to like all other coming videos, please like and share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Right, thank you guys.